Hi everyone, I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the INUKA food scrubs. We're going to be talking about the food scrubs, so let's get into it. I am shooting videos back to back, so I am getting confused on what it is I'm going to be talking about now. So bear with me. I'm trying to get videos out and just get back in the hang of things over here. So today we're going to be talking about the food scrub. The food scrub is part of the INUKA food care range. I've done a video on the food care range and I've done a video on how to actually use the food care range, and I will link both of those videos down below, so do check them out if you are interested in this product or if you are interested in knowing more about this product. This is the food scrub. It's the one with the green line. You will remember this from the video that we did on the whole range. I did explain the lines, so it's the one with the green lines. It comes in a tub like this. Oh, that actually works. Wow. Okay, do it again. So it comes in a tub like this. It is a 200 ml tub, and then the scrub is the one on the previous video where I talk about the range at large. Is the one that looks like wet sugar. If you remember my description from that video, if you have not watched it, the link is down below. So it is a 200 ml tub. It comes like this. It's the one that it feels like sugar when you are touching it on the inside. Now this one does not come with the scooping spoon because you actually use your hands to scoop it so that you can rub it on your heels and your foot and stuff like that. And as I've mentioned, it is part of the food care range. You can use this product on its own, or you can actually buy the range at large and use the entire range. And this product, for me, it is more, this product is effective on its own, but it is more effective when you are using it as a range at large. So it says here the mineral food scrub. So that's the official name for this one as well. It is the mineral food scrub, but we call it food scrub because we know what we're talking about. Anyway, it says gently exfoliates feet, promotes circulation, and treats dry skin. So it says here the mineral food scrub. So that's the official name for this one as well. It is the mineral food scrub, but we call it food scrub because we know what we're talking about. Anyway, it says gently exfoliates feet, promotes circulation, and treats dry skin. Gentle enough to use on sensitive skin. The mineral food scrub will improve 1. Circulation of blood in feet and skin. 2. Smooth, deeply moisturize and soften your feet. So those are the benefits that you're going to get when you are actually using this product. Gentle enough to be used all over your body. Due to the size of the particles, the action is very soft and will not leave micro tears on your skin, so you can actually use it in other areas of your body that you feel like you need to scrub on. Some people just scrub and exfoliate the entire skin. If you're someone who's into that, you can use this product as well for that. Now, as I've mentioned, the tub does come in a 200 ml. You can purchase this product on its own, or you can purchase it the range at large. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the video, do the most, and remember, never say no to a crowd.